Hey guys, it's the Credit Mortician. Did you know that there is one specific way that you need to be paying your credit cards from now on? Do you even know how to read your credit card statement? Come on, let me show you. Here's an example of a credit card statement. The first thing that you need to know is your due date. You need to know what day of the month that your statement is due. The second thing you need to know is your statement date, also known as your open close date. Whatever the last date is on your statement is going to be the date that it reports to the credit bureaus what your balance is. So we know every month that our statements are due on the 13th, and we know that they report to the credit bureaus on the 16th. Every month on your due date, you need to pay the full balance off completely. We know on the 16th, they're going to report to the bureaus what our balance is, and we don't want them to report that zero balance. So what do? Between the 13th and the 16th of every month, put a small balance between 1% and 9% of your limit. Rinse and repeat every month, and you'll have a good credit score.